Replanting. Ornamental pepper. Do you like it? Do you like it, hon? Something got in my eye.
It's colorful and hot.
Yes, you
if
can
you
eat
eat
it. It's edible. It looks like light bulbs.
This is what you call edible landscapes, where you have flower beds that not only is it pretty, but
Yes.
it also can be eaten.
Yes, this can also be eaten. This is lavender. You see that? It's pretty. Yes, I like flowers. I can buy more. Right, hon? Yay! Good job. See, this one is pretty.
That's it. They're planted.
We're gonna fence around that because the dogs like to lay and destroy the plant. Got it. Doggy, are you sad? Are you sad you won't be able to lay down here anymore? He's looking. He's like, oh no. He couldn't believe it. We're fencing it. Okay. Update. We finished the fence. Now our flowers are caged. We did this because the dogs like to sit or lay down over right there, and they disturb these plants, so I had to replant, and it looks okay to me. And over here we did the same thing, but these are the older fence, so I think that's all for now. Yay, it looks good. I think it does. What do you think, Bud? Does it look good?
Yeah.
It's fenced. That's it. Thank you for watching.